Hello everyone and welcome to At the Movies with Justin. So today I want to talk about Friday the 13th from 2009. I know this movie is kind of like a hot topic, but I just recently rewatched it and I kind of still have the opinion from when I first saw it in 2009. Like the movie's like okay, it's very fast-paced film, and I kind of like that. I think horror films should be under 145 minutes. This movie is only an hour and like 36 minutes. There's an hour and 36 minutes, which is its sweet spot. It's perfect because you get in, you get out. I don't think anyone really cares about the character development. I think there's the downside to this film. I was watching a podcast and they were talking about it because when you looked at the 70s films and the 80s films, the people just looked normal. They didn't look like supermodel-ish, really pretty people, and that's all they kind of cast, even earlier and starting in 2000. So I think this movie is like, like that. And yeah, and I think a big thing too is like this film started the whole, fan casting and like fan service is what I mean. Because like now fan service is just so overrated. It's just like everywhere you go. Any movie you see is fan service. This one kind of started it. You have Mrs. Voorhees at the very beginning, because this film is like a combination of the first two. And then of course you have the iconic like boat scene at the very end. And but I kind of like it. I actually really like this film. I think they go a little overboard with the sex stuff, but I really like this film. I like how it's more brutal. The kills are more brutal. It's more fast paced compared to like the original ones. I mean, the originals are just great. The amount of budget that they had when they first did the films. But I mean, I really like this film, and I love the older ones too. Even though they went on for far too long than they needed to. But this one's great. It's fast paced. Yeah, it gives you a little bit of everything that you want, and it's especially the beginning, and then you see the axe, the knife, the machete. I mean, come up, and credits roll, and then the ending's really cool, and you have some really great actors that became like really big actors, like Supernatural and the Flash actor. So anyways, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and you can watch more shorts right now.